Hi guys, my name's Jess if you didn't already know me, and today I will be teaching you guys how to make a delicious Thanksgiving treat that will impress your family. So the ingredients that you guys will be needing today are strawberries, pretzel sticks, milk chocolate chips, toothpicks, and mini marshmallows. Alright, I'm going to grab my pretzel stick, break it a little less than halfway, grab my marshmallow, and stick my pretzel stick in there. I'm going to shape it, that way it looks like a thigh. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab our strawberries, give them a nice wash, and then grab your toothpicks and stick them in the top. That way you can dip them in the chocolate. All right, let's go ahead and open up our chocolate bag. How does this darn thing open? Oh God! Oh, no. Add about that much chocolate to your bowl. All right, I got myself a little bit of oil. I'm gonna put it inside of my bowl of chocolate. Just a little bit, like that much. Just so that when the chocolate melts, it doesn't like get too thick. The oil thins it out after it melts. All right, my chocolate is nicely melted, as you can see. We're gonna grab our little legs right here, grab a strawberry, dip just the side of the leg into the chocolate, and then with that, we're gonna attach it to the side of our strawberry. All right, we got our cute little turkeys here. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it into my nicely melted chocolate. So now I'm gonna grab this tray and I'm gonna take it over to the fridge and pop those babies in. That way they can cool and the chocolate can harden up real nice. Okay, you guys, so I finished these amazing looking turkey berries. They are so cute. Like, just look at how cute he is. Amazing. You guys seriously have to try these out. They are so cute and delicious, and they will definitely wow your family on Thanksgiving. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for staying and watching me make these adorable turkey berries. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.